Lucas. Ayan, from Ka Junior TV. Ayan guys, mamaya punta tayo kay Pelmangs. Magla-live yan. Siya yung susunod na mag-live. Yes, tama to. Further doon mo tignan sa Lifetime. Tinignan ko nga doon. Ayan, si Sis Babes. Ano yan, si Sis Babe Topper. 3 yung channel niya. Or sa monthly. Ayan. Oo nga, hindi naman mawawala yun eh. Alam ko na, hindi naman nandoon lang yan. Baka late lang yung pag-post. Yes, sa monthly. Ayan, magdot-dot na naman tayo. Mamaya ko na idot-dot itong ibang kasama ko ha. Okay. Sige tayo dot-dot. Ani, sige yaw-yaw. Mamaya pagkatapos ko dot-dot ko tong iba. Ayan, suroy na si Pelmangs. Maglibot ka na, Pelmangs, kay mag-live ka na mamaya. Tapos na ako, guys. 5 minutes na lang. O, diba? 5 minutes na lang. Yeah, shout out to all, guys. Thank you very much, Ka Junior. Shout out to our tours. Babes Live in the US. Sis Ding. Yan, Simple Living. US Life of the Bahrain. Aramia, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Si Ka Junior. Mikin. Shout out, Mikin. Ka PC, thank you very much. Babes Life in the US. Yes, of course, si Pelmangs. See you around, Pelmangs. Shout out, Jardim. Sis Jean. Thank you very much, Sis Jean. Ayub, thank you. Thank you for coming, guys. See you, Wim. Thank you very much. Mr. Drugstore. Thank you very much, Mr. Drugstore. Shout out Hawaii. Si Hawaii Viral Comedy Shorts. Andrea. Thank you very much, guys. See you around. Yan. Tapusin ko na lang yung 3 minutes ko, guys. Stop na ako niyan.